Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Google Chromecast remote not working. So the first thing we want to do is just simply repair it back up to the device. So go over to the Google Chromecast and then press the button on it. So I'm going to press the button, and if I press this button, it's going to go to the screen searching for accessories. Before pairing your Bluetooth device, make sure it's in the pairing mode on the TV. And then just go to your remote now and press the back button and the home button at the same time. So let's go to my remote now. Here's the back button, here's the play button. Press this both down at the same time. So I'm pressing it until you see the light pulsing on the remote. So when you see the light pulsing, you can just go ahead and let go then. So press these both down. Once you see the light pulsing, you should be good to go. And then it should reconnect and pair back up to the TV. So my remote's already paired. You could try removing the batteries and see if that works also. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.